putting all of this in one day, like going to the farm, talking to the farmers, appreciating the passion that the farmers put into it every day of their life, and then coming here and they teach us how to do the butchery part, gave me so much respect of the ingredients in front of me.
I really liked learning how to grill a flank steak to get the grill marks. I kind of felt like I was in culinary school for a couple of hours because we even got to do like a plating presentation and let our creativity flow.
By separating muscles and isolating those muscles.
The center is really a nexus for connectivity, for inspiration, where we introduce and share the innovations that we come up with here at the center with producers, packers, food service, restaurateurs.
Working with Canada Beef and the products that are produced here is exceptionally important. It's a way for us to celebrate Canada's heritage and the developing culinary scene in Canada.
Working with Canada Beef, working with new chefs like Jess and Mathieu, and sort of experiencing true Canadian hospitality. You know, it doesn't matter where we are, we're all sort of on the same team working towards similar goals. Great food, hosting, caring for our landscape, our environments, and being mindful of sustainable, traceable products, you know, and that we can all support that that model.
You know, it's a job about passion, and I think that Canada Beef paired very well with that because the rancher are passionate people.
Listening to what they do here at the center, I think it's an opportunity for them to educate not just the young producers in Canada, but decision makers in other countries and people who influence food policy in other countries as to how they can use Canadian beef products and how they can broaden their understanding and the education around what are the opportunities that are available for them and what we have to offer with our Canadian beef products.